Proud to be an American, even though we're in quarantine. And I'm gonna take my vitamins and hope it don't get me.
Hey y'all, Jason Black Fork on the Snow. How y'all doing this morning? Man, it's been kind of cold these last few days. A little cold, a little rainy. But that's okay because we're starting to get growth. Starting to get good growth out of our yards. It's slow, but I know as soon as it warms up, that first week it's gonna pop. I'm just in the shop getting everything loaded up. I'm about ready to go get that stump grinder, but I'm looking at my trailer. Man, there's this guy I messaged. He had an old frame, an old tandem axle frame that I wanted, but it sold out from under me. I'm looking all over to get frames. I'm turning this into a tandem axle, and I want to deck it out. You know what I mean? I want to deck this whole thing out and just rework this entire trailer because, you know, when the spring hits, I ain't gonna be able to use David's all the time. All right. Just picked up the grinder. You know, when I called and I talked to these guys before I came over here. Actually, I called them a couple different times. I was supposed to do it last week, but I got rained out. I told them I got a stump about 18 inches. I mean, I know it's just a rental and I got time. This is pretty much all I got going on today, but that's not an 18-inch stump grinder. That's a 12-inch stump grinder. I don't know if it'll make a difference. I know it's going to take a little longer, but as long as I get the job done and I get my deposit back and everything all goes good, I'll be fine. All right, here's our first stump. This is the biggest one. This is actually like 21 inches. So it's going to take me a while with that little stump grinder, but that's all right. I got 4 of them in the back, or 3 other ones in the back that are real small. We're going to get this unloaded, and we're going to try to get to work.
She said, I can smell the whiskey on your breath. I just lit another cigarette. She must be talking to the shadows on the wall, 'cause I can't hear a single thing at home. Here I go again, all by myself, just north of nowhere and south of hill. Must have broke the mold on you, threw it all away, crumbled up the blueprints that a good Lord made. Flew you down like an angel, along the way your halo fell, just north of nowhere and south of hill.
There's just too much nonsense out here for any of us to fight and argue amongst ourselves and keep the silliness up and I struggled with my demons, and in 2013 my dad passed away. And I went through a breakup at that time, and that was really hard. I mean, I took it from like 1 to 10 real quick, 0 to 100. I just hit a wall, and I struggled. Let's say I struggled with my demons, and I drowned it in liquor, and then it got a lot worse. I just didn't care about anything. It was just a really dark time. And like, I know a lot of other people are probably out there struggling. They're thinking, well, I'll never be able to have a business, or I'll never be able. Yeah, you can, man. You got to knuckle down. And it's possible for any of us to make it out. That's what America thrives on, is success stories and underdogs. And that's what it's all about. But I'm going to get started on this. I'm going to put it on a time lapse, and then and we'll be done for today. But I'm just trying to fill in a little bit of little bit of my back story as we go along. My dad was a good man, great man, but he also had his demons, and he also had struggled with schizophrenia and everything, and that ain't no joke. You hear people call, that was a rough way, and mental health in this country, I think, it's a little more attention paid to.
There's so many times I've tried to let her go. I wonder what keeps her holding
This
on.
one down in the rocks. I should have.
She deserves
I got smacked
a better man than me. Love is blind, that is plain to see.
Careful, stop every now and again, dig out some more rock.
Here I go again all by myself, just north of nowhere and south of here. Must have broke the mold on you, threw it all away, crumbled up the blueprints that the good Lord made. Flew you down like an angel, along the way your halo fell, just north of nowhere and south of here. Well, with tears rolling down her face, she looked up and said to me,
I'm just gonna break everything out.
it must have broken.
And then get about a yard of topsoil. There's a couple other little patches, and I already got some soil and some seed. Come back in a day or two, throw that down. This is gonna be a big landscape project for me, so looking forward to doing that. But like I said, guys, this is the end of the video. My idea is to, if anybody's out there that needing help, reach out. You ain't alone. Everybody's got a past, no doubt about it. Some of the things people don't like to talk about or share on the internet. So, don't feel like, well, there's no way that I'll ever make it. He only made it because he's never seen what I seen, or you just don't know what people's been through. So with that, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna get everything, start cleaning it up. Keep hustling, keep grinding, man. Keep chasing your dreams. All this music that I put in here, 99% of it is by a guy named Mike Combs. He's on iTunes. He's got a YouTube channel, but he's gonna start getting more active on it. But yeah, check him out on it's MikeCombsMusic.com, or just type in Mike Combs. His recent album was called Nashville. We wrote a couple of them together. He's just a great singer, great songwriter, local guy. He's also got another album called Dirt Country. So yeah, check out Mike Combs. Later, y'all. Peace.